Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Practice English Easily. In today's video, you will practice 100 completely new daily use English sentences, all different from previous sets. These sentences are perfect for improving fluency, confidence, and natural speaking in everyday life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and enjoy the practice. Let's begin. 1. Daily life. I woke up feeling refreshed today. I need a few minutes to settle down. Let me check the weather before going out. I'm leaving in 5 minutes. I forgot where I kept my keys. I'll grab something quick to eat. Let me finish this first. I'll join you in a moment. I'm getting ready to step out. I'll take a short nap later. 2. Conversation. That's exactly what I was thinking. I didn't mean to interrupt you. I'm still trying to understand it. Could you explain that differently? I appreciate your opinion. I didn't expect you to ask that. Let's talk about this later. That sounds reasonable. I completely forgot about that. I'm glad you brought that up. 3. Work/study. I need to check my schedule. I have a lot of emails to respond to. I'll finish this by the end of the day. This task is a bit challenging. I'm still learning the process. I need to organize my notes. Let's work on this together. I'll send the file shortly. I'm trying to improve my skills. I'm almost done with the report. 4. Going out. Let's go somewhere peaceful. I'm not sure if the shop is open. We should leave before it gets crowded. I'll meet you at the entrance. It might rain, so take an umbrella. I'm waiting outside. Let's take a different route. I don't want to be late. The place looks really nice. I'll book a table in advance. 5. Health and fitness. I need to stretch more often. I'm trying to build a routine. I haven't had enough water today. My legs are sore from yesterday. I think I need more rest. I should sleep earlier tonight. I'm trying to avoid junk food. I feel a bit dizzy. A short walk might help. I'm slowly getting back in shape. 6. Feelings and mood. I'm not feeling very confident today. That made me smile. I'm trying to stay calm. I feel a bit overwhelmed. I'm really proud of myself. Something doesn't feel right. I'm feeling more positive now. I just need some space. I'm genuinely happy for you. That upset me a little.
7. Handlingssituations.
Let me think about that. I'll try to sort it out. We need to find a better solution. I didn't expect it to be this complicated. I'll handle it somehow. That's not what I planned. Let's not rush into it. We should discuss this properly. I think we're getting closer. Let's figure this out together. 8. Shopping. I'm just looking around. Do you have this in another size? This one looks better to me. Let me check if it fits my budget. I think I'll come back later. Can I return this if needed? I like the quality of this. I'm not sure if I should buy it. This color suits me better. Let me compare the prices first. 9. Technology. My storage is almost full. I need to back up my files. The screen keeps freezing. I accidentally closed the app. My network suddenly disconnected. I updated the software today. I can't find the settings. My phone restarted on its own. I need to reset the password. Can you share your screen? 10. Miscellaneous. I've been thinking about this lately. Let's take a break from this. I want to try something new. I'm planning something interesting. It's not as easy as it looks. I need to check the time. I'm waiting for a confirmation. I'll let you choose. I want to improve every day. Today was a productive day. That's the end of today's lesson. I hope these 100 completely new daily use English sentences help you speak more confidently and naturally. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment your favorite sentence, and subscribe to Practice English Easily. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.